Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo, and I am so excited. I couldn't wait to get on camera today to let you guys know that my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2019 is here, Here it is. So if you would like to know what I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, then please stick around, watch the video. It was an interesting box. So yes guys, the box, it's here. It's absolutely here. This is a once in a year phenomena that us beauty lovers all look forward to. It is the 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag. So excited to finally have this in my hands. Ta-da-da! So guys, if you've been here before, welcome. Thank you so much for being Team Neo and coming back to watch my channel again and again. Thank you. If you are completely new here, stick around, watch the show, see if you like me. If you do, I would love it if you could hit the subscribe button and become a part of my little family here on YouTube. So I am not even going to beat around the bush. We are going straight to it. What is in the Beautylish 2019 Lucky Bag and the Deep Dark Beautylish 2019 Lucky Bag? What is in this one, guys? So I know you guys are watching lots of videos that are showing the 2019 Beautylish bag. There were 4 bags that were out this year. There was the Big Kahuna, the one that retails, well, the one that Beautylish sells for $150. There was a second one which was a $75 bag plus an additional $75 bag that was then given to a charitable person or charitable organization. So it was like buy one, gift one. There was a $75 box that was just Jeffree Star. So those who stand for Jeffree Star, then I'm sure they chose that box. And then there was the typical 2019 Beautylish bag, and it came in different variations. You could choose, I believe it was fair medium or deep dark, and I, of course, being chocolate lovely brown, went with the deep dark version. So I will get straight to what is inside. So if you don't know about Beautylish, this is their once a year phenomena called the Lucky Bag. It corresponds with Japanese New Year. And it includes for $75 or $150 depending on which box you choose, you get a whole bunch of full size, for the most part, full size products sold on Beautylish. So everybody's box came with this attachment here, and it says, Lucky Bags are a Chinese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bag are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little bit more lucky. So let's dig inside. This is the deep box. Guys, Beautylish packaging, I mean, this came like this. Like I said, of course, it's already been opened because I don't have the patience to wait to do my unboxing. I'm like, what's in this baby right now? So for $75, you get on the list, you send off your money to Beautylish, and for the $75 box, you get a whole bunch of product. So the products are always guaranteed to be much more than $75 in retail. Here we go. So what I did is I went on the website, on the Beautylish website, and researched the products that I got, and we'll tell you guys their retail value. So it was all in here. It was so nicely wrapped, the way Beautylish products always are. I'm a huge fan of purchasing my items from Beautylish. Now, I am going to do a part 2 to this video where I'm going to tell everybody how to get your hands on the Lucky Bag. I don't want to put it into this video because I think it's going to be too long of a video, but I do have some tips and tricks on how to get your hands on a Beautylish Lucky Bag for next year. It's gone for this year, but it's really good reference and a good reminder for next year. Start with makeup, since everybody gets super excited about makeup. First thing that made me go, is the Natasha Denona Cranberry Palette. Now, I have to admit, I've never tried any Natasha Denona products. I think they are very expensive. I'm not even gonna lie. This is the Cranberry Palette. It looks stunning. It looks absolutely stunning. So I am looking forward to trying this out. But hey, this will literally be my first time trying out Natasha Denona products. So I will keep judgments to myself until I've had a chance to play with this. Product retails for $48. Another makeup product I have in here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Oh, I love a good hoighlighter. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. I love a good highlighter, and I love the Cover FX products. I hope you guys can see that. Oh, whoa, that is amazing. Yeah, okay. This was $28. I do have one more piece of makeup in here, and it is by Terry. Guys, by Terry is super high-end. I've tried their products before. They're really great. And this is the Hybrid Lipstick. Bold Color Impact Contouring Control. Oh, I forgot to mention. The Cover FX Shimmer Veil is in Soleil. Rouge Expert Click Stick. And this is $38. Yeah. Wow, that's a bit hard. Oh, okay. So, okay. I'm clicking. It's coming up slowly but surely. Okay, this looks like an interesting neutral color. That felt so smooth. That's gonna be a really great neutral lip color. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. That is nice. Can you see that? Oh, that is nice. That is real nice. Okay, all right. I was skeptical, but okay, by Terry. We'll have to try you out, definitely. And the last makeup related product I have in here is a brush by Wayne Goss. And this is the number 19. I don't know if I already own this one because I have the Wayne Goss eye set, and it's some of my most used eye brushes. I love it. This is the small crease brush. I think small, hold on. I think this is like the small shader brush. This is gonna get a lot of use, gonna get a lot of work out of it. $23. And then I had two skincare products. This is something new, and it's perfect timing because I am in the market for a new moisturizer, and I've been looking around trying to see what I want to buy. This is a brand called Chemist Confessions, and this is Mr. Reliable All-in-One Moisturizer. The ingredients include water, glycerin, ethyl macadamiate, caprylic triglycerides, etc., etc. But what is really interesting about this box, yes, I'm talking about the box, not even the product, but they have a side panel over here, and that is saying it's star ingredients, and it lists them per concentration, and then it explains what those different star ingredients do. So for the glycerin, it says a humectant gold standard that draws water to the skin. I don't know, I was kind of impressed with that because it can be hard to figure out what certain ingredients are in our products, so it's good to know. Although, what I would have really liked, Chemist Confession, is what percentage of your product is the first ingredient, which is the chemical water. And yes, water is a chemical, people. Yeah, so just curious. But yes, Mr. Reliable All-in-One Moisturizer. I'm actually looking forward to using this. The Chemist Confession moisturizer is $35, so I now believe we have hit 182 perhaps, 172. I'll put in the math. Last but not least says coming soon Beautylish, and that's a sleeve, which of course now I can't get out. I can't get out. All right, I'm just gonna peel it off. Oh, and that didn't work. So I went on the Beautylish website and tried to click to search for this product, and all it said was a link to put in your email so that you'd be the first to know when this was released. So whoever Good Molecules is, excellent marketing to get your product out to us in the Beautylish bag. We're all going to talk about it. We're all going to watch the video, and this is almost like influencer level type guerrilla marketing tactic. Fantastic idea, because YouTube will be talking about this. Instagram will have pictures of this. I paid towards this because I paid my $75, so who knows, you know, wholesale price of this. So really good marketing. And this is the Good Molecules, a super peptide serum formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Hello, we will be friends. Yes, so interesting. I want to know more about ingredients and so on. The first ingredient is water. It always is, people. Yeah, so, okay, I'll have to do my research on this one, on the ingredients. I like to look up my ingredients. It's a serum. It looks great. Let's see. Oh, not a bad smell. That is it. That is the products that were in the 2019 Beautylish Deep Dark box. Some words, if you've never gotten a Beautylish Lucky Bag, before, I've clicked on 2018 medium dark plus, I think in 2017 there might have just been one box, I don't remember, but I've clicked on those boxes down below as well. What do you guys think of the 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag? I think one of the really fun and slightly terrifying things about the Beautylish Lucky Bag is that you're just giving your money to Beautylish, $75, $150 to this company, and you don't know what you're gonna get. It's fun and it's exciting, and I know there's gonna be thousands of YouTube videos going up saying this is what I got, because none of us know what we're going to get, and that is part of the fun, that you don't know what's going to be in your bag. You know it's going to be worth more than your $75, and it's going to be, for the most part, full-size luxury beauty products. Great, but is everything in the box going to work for you? Maybe not. So I don't know, that's the risk you take, but that's fun. That's part of the fun of the risk that you take with the Beautylish Lucky Bag. That's why I like to participate in it, because you just don't know what you're gonna get. Well, everybody, thank you so much for checking out my 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag stash here. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Don't forget, I will have a follow-up video that will discuss you know, tips and tricks to make sure you pick up the next lucky bag next year. You have to wait a year, but it'll be part of the fun, is all the anticipation. Yes, it is. Thank you so much for coming back and watching Ahhhsoneo once again. I love it that you guys keep coming back over and over and over. If you've made it this far and you haven't hit the subscription box yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that box. Check out my other videos, guys, my 2017 and my 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag box. As always, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I loved it. And always, always, always remember, if you're here on this channel, the ending is always the same. Well, lately the ending has been the same. Choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you have to make every moment, every day, every minute. But it's a choice. You've got to understand that you and only you get to decide how you feel. And I hope you choose happiness.